In a time that calls for exemplary citizens, we remember Luis de Castro General Jr., a man whose life embodied service, intellect, and quiet defiance. Born in Naga on August 15, 1921, Luisine grew up in a household where law and learning were daily bread. When war came, he traded books for boots, fighting first as a USFS soldier and then as a resistance operative. Even in the shadows of occupation, he wrote poetry, verses of longing to Maria Molina, who would later become his wife. After the war, he returned not just to education but to truth, a lawyer by profession, an educator by passion, and a journalist by conscience. Luisine's pursuits were bound by integrity. He taught law and history with an unflinching discipline, practiced justice for over 40 years, and never stopped advocating even behind bars during martial law. He wrote boldly in the pages of Balalong and Naga Times, co-founded the underground paper V, and championed Bikol culture. His translation of Mi Ultimo Adios and his own poetry reflect a pen sharpened by war, wisdom, and love for country. Luis General Jr. leaves behind more than writings. He leaves a blueprint of civic courage, cultural pride, and quiet heroism. Let his life be not only remembered but emulated. The challenge now is ours, to carry forward the values he lived with and stood for. Read more about Luis General Jr. on the Facebook page of Saysay Bikol. Madyan na sa Danay na Pagsaysay.